Okay guys, so today our sponsor is Grill Armor. That's the glove on the right. And we're gonna talk about heat resistant gloves and what's offered there in the market here. Now these are great for heat resistant gloves. They're pretty well insulated. But if you end up grabbing coals or something other than like a split or something, these aren't exactly rated for fire resistance. So they might, turn on fire, but they're great to grab like hot skillets and pans, pots and pans like that are hot, to handle. Now these are some I got at Academy. I've used these for quite some time. You can see they're really worn out. This is the second pair that I've gotten. They kind of, they work. They are flame resistant somewhat. When you grab like a split, it does work for some time, but then it starts getting hot. And the same thing goes with skillets or whatnot that you're handling. You can hold it for a few seconds, maybe 10, 15 seconds, if you're moving it over to the table or something. But after a while, it does start getting hot and you can feel the heat. So single stitching pretty much throughout the whole glove here. And inside looks okay, somewhat okay, insulated. And then let's talk about Grill Armor, these gloves. Right off the bat, you're gonna see that the inside right here is double layered. So you're gonna get your palm double layered, you got your thumb double layered, your fingers double layered, and the back end right here double layered. And this is gonna protect you against the flames much better than your regular ones. Also double stitching, and all the stitching is fire resistant. So very quality gloves. You see the tag here, Grill Armor. Nice little logo there. And then inside also pretty well insulated. So you do get a good heat resistant glove here. And then it fits very comfortable and it sits pretty high, 16 inches up here, almost to my elbow. So it's a great glove. We're gonna give one of these away on our next live stream. I'll have the link for them here on the video description below. Only requirement is that you be a subscriber, and hope to see you then. Good luck to everybody. We'll see you the 7th.
Once again, our barbecue chat giveaway is Thursday, May 7th, 2026, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hope to see you all there.